Okay, now you are going to work on this absolute value activity without a calculator. Without a calculator. So you're going to use your foldable that you just completed with all the rules. So you know if you multiply by A, it gets more narrow or it gets wider. If you multiply by negative A, it flips or reflects across the x-axis. If you add outside of the bars, you go up. If you subtract, you go down. If you add inside the bars, you go left. If you subtract inside the bars, you go right. So that's what you're going to write here on this sheet. The sub has already given it to you. Now you can watch this video and complete it. So you're watching the video. You are talking about what has happened. You started at y equals absolute value of x. So now in the first one, I'm going to give you an example. You have absolute values of x plus 5. It is outside of the bars. So you are moving. So you move up 5. Okay? So that's what you're going to do with these. And sometimes it may have two things or it may just be one thing that happened. And so then you're going to, on these, I don't want you to skip them like I've got on here. I want you to, let me take off skip. I decided to do something different here. I want you just to take out the 3. So just mark out that 3 there, and you can still do it now because it's just x plus 4. And mark out the 2 here and leave it x plus 10. So now you can finish all of that sheet. So make sure in number 10 you mark out the number in front of it, and on number 12 you mark out that number so that you can do those, because we didn't do anything where you multiply by that number. So make sure in 10 you mark out that number, and 12 you mark out that one. So finish this worksheet without the calculator, and then you have a matching activity to do with a partner, and then you have another sheet to finish during class. And if you don't finish it, it will be homework. So finish up this one, and I'll let the sub give you the explanations for your next activity after you finish this one. Thanks.